Welcome to this sheet metal tutorial, guys. In this video we will be designing this part, and here is the flattened version of this part. So let's begin. Select part and click OK, and after that click on right plane and click on sketch. From here select center rectangle tool and make a rectangle at this origin like this. Select your smart dimensioning tool and specify the length of this line. I'm specifying as 200 millimeter. Now select this line and specify dimension 170. Sketch is fully defined, and from here make sure that you have enabled sheet metal tab. When you have enabled it, here it will be, and select here the base flange option. When you select it, you have to define here the thickness of this plate. I'm specifying at 2 millimeter. Check this box from here. Change the background to plain white, and here specify some color for better visualization. This is optional thing, you can skip it as well. Select here this face and click on sketch. Now select a line and make a sketch like this, an inclined and a straight line. Now select smart dimensioning tool and select these two lines, and here specify the angle as 135 degree. After that specify the length of this line as 30 millimeter, and from this bottom edge to this line specify the height as 45 millimeter. And our sketch is now fully defined. Select here miter flange. This edge is automatically selected. We need to select other three. This is second and this is the final one. So all four edges have been selected now, and here we need to specify this gap. From here we can specify, I'm specifying here as 1.5, and we have other options for the material inside, material outside, but for this case I'm specifying as material inside, that is very first type. Then check this box from here, and now on the back side select this face and click on sketch. Now here we are going to make a sketch to use the vent tool. So select a circle and make a circle here at this origin. Make another and another. I have made 3 circles. Now select smart dimensioning tool and specify the diameters of each one. The bigger circle 130, the middle one I'm specifying as 95, and the most smaller circle here defined as 45 millimeter. Now let's select a line and make here a line, and since I need many lines, so I'm using a circular pattern. In this parameter we need to specify this midpoint, and in entities to pattern, if anything else is selected just click and delete. We need only this line to be selected, and we can increase the number of lines we need to pattern. I'm specifying here 8 lines, and after that go to sheet metal, and here is the tool vent. When we select it, here in this boundary we need to define this bigger circle, and after that we have option for the ribs. In this we need to select these 2 circles. It will take some time for processing. Then in spars we need to select these lines. It will take some time for processing, but I am defining it here. You can define the thickness of these lines or spars from here and ribs. Then check this box from here after specifying these dimension, and here we have the vent tool. The vent tool is mostly used for the fan ventilation parts. Now select this face and click on sketch, and here select this straight slot and make a slot here, and now let's define it. For that select smart dimensioning tool. First let's define the radius of it. I'm defining as 6 millimeter, and the length of this slot I'm defining as 50. and after that from this point to this edge I'm defining the distance as 55, and after that we are only left with this dimension. From this center line to this edge I'm defining here the distance as 15 millimeter. Now sketch is fully defined, you can see it from here. And now since I want to mirror these entities, so I'm making these two reference line. These are the center lines, a vertical and a horizontal center line. I will use this for mirror entities. So select your mirror entities. Here select this slot, entities to mirror window, and in mirror about window I'm selecting this vertical line. Then check this box from here. Now repeat the same thing. Select here two slots in entities to mirror window, and in this mirror about window I'm selecting this horizontal line, it will get mirrored here. And now I'm making a corner rectangle, so select here corner rectangle and make here a corner rectangle like this. Now let's define it. First select here smart dimension tool. I'm specifying the length of this line as 12. Length of this line will be 12 as well. You can define, in my case this is equal relation. From this edge to this line of the rectangle here define the distance as 50. And now let's apply the fillet tool to all of the corners of this rectangle. The radius of the fillet would be 2 millimeter. Let me define these fillets, and after that check this box from here and select mirror entities, and in this entities to mirror select this whole area, and in mirror about window select this reference line, this horizontal one, and it will get mirrored here. And repeat the same sketch to mirror about the vertical one. So this is the first rectangle and then this is the second rectangle. Select both of these, and in the mirror about window I will select the vertical center line, this reference line, and it will get mirrored here. Now I simply need to cut these. For that simply go to features and select extruded cut command, and here specify through all because I want to cut it through all. And here we have the part. This is ready. Now let me flatten it. For that go to sheet metal and select this flatten tool, and it will get flattened like this. So that's all for this video guys. If you find this video helpful then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.